Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of Vegan Iniquity, where we are continuing Christmas in July. This is a request from somebody whose name I probably can't say out loud or I'll get the video flagged for bad language. That should give you some idea of who it is. He's been asking for how to make a creamy potato soup without it turning into glue. And I have actually never had that happen, so to the best of my ability, I will explain that I usually make potato soup out of russet potatoes. I usually mash them by hand. I don't put them in a blender or a food processor after they're cooked. I have used an immersion blender, but very briefly, not enough to create that glue, because potatoes are very glutinous, not glutinous. They don't have wheat gluten in them, but the description for how they get is glutinous, like glutinous rice, sweet sticky rice. They get stringy. They get strings of glue if you over process them. So this is my baked potato soup, and it's made with baked potatoes, onions, garlic, cashew cream, and then you reserve the potato skins and you saute them in butter till they get crunchy. Now, if you're an oil-free person, don't use oil. You could stick these under the broiler to make them toasty, because if you want to make this soup, you want the toasty contrast between the soft creamy soup and the crunchy potato skin. But see, this is rustic. It's not thoroughly creamy. Got some bits in it. But there's no strings. It's not gluey. Now, you can either use a potato masher, which I usually use when I'm just cooking for myself. But if I'm going to make something that I'm going to share with other people, I use my potato ricer. It's basically like a garlic press. You put the potatoes down in there and then you squeeze them through the holes and scrape them off. That makes really nice, fine mashed potato. Much finer than this. This I just mashed by hand. I didn't even put a stick blender in there. So thank you for the request, he who cannot be named. And thank you everyone for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you if you try this recipe. It's really good. Especially if you toast the potato skins and put them on top. Really tasty. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community tab posts Monday and Friday. Thank you for visiting my community tab if you do. Thank you for leaving comments there and likes. I will put this recipe on my blog and link it in the description along with yesterday's video, and I think that's it. See you later, guys.